Hi, I'm Dennis Hansen. This is my Chevy C1500. So I've got the harmonic balancer off. I have access to that seal now. So first thing I'm going to do, you can see it's leaking pretty good. I'm going to spray it down, a little degreaser, and a rag, just kind of prep it. I don't want any debris getting in that when I pop that seal. Okay, so that's all I did. I kind of wedged it. You can see, took the screwdriver and a wood shim, put it on the tiny case cover, and was able to pop out the one side of it. There it is. Okay, so that's the old seal. Okay, so I've got the old seal. It does have a spring in there. It's just so far recessed under that lip it was hard to see. And this is the new part. Matches up exactly. Okay, got the new seal. Packed it with grease so that spring can't pop out. I'm taking the old seal and just going around trying to pop in the new one. I feel good about the new crank seal. Seems to be in there. It's nice and flush with the timing case cover. I'm ready to put the new harmonic balancer on. And I'm going to put a light coat of grease around the outside. That'll lubricate the new seal. And I'm going to put a little bit on the inside so that it slides up that shaft pretty good. To help me get that harmonic balancer back on, I'm using the ProForm harmonic balancer installation tool. Alright, so the first thing you want to do, get the tool. See, now I got the 4.3 that takes a smaller end, screwed in to the end of the crankshaft, screwed all the way in. Next step, take the harmonic balancer, make sure that the keyway lines up with the slot. Push it on. You can feel it. You can feel that. Okay, next you want to put on the bearing. Put on the washer. Put on the big nut. Snug it up. You can feel right away it just pushes it right on. Okay. Then you're going to need a 16mm to hold the tool from spinning. And then you're going to need a big wrench to turn the nut. Alright, so I snugged it up as much as I could. I think I bottomed it out. Then you just want to loosen the tool, take all this stuff out. Alright, so the way I'm going to check that, I'm going to take my calipers, send the pin out on this, and I'm going to measure from the front of the harmonic balancer to the crankshaft. And that's that much. So I'm going to come in here, do the same amount, and I can see that it's exactly the same. I can tell by the grease line, and there's a little wear line there. So I know I'm good. Okay, the other way you can check it, crawl into the truck. Might be a little dark, I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to put the pulley on the end of the harmonic balancer. And I can see that it lines up just perfect with the water pump. Lines up perfect with the power steering. Everything lines up really good. So it's a good way to check it. Alright, well I hope that helped somebody out. It's really not that hard. It took a lot more cranking than I show in the video, but I have to say that this tool is worth it. It's so much easier. You know, and you think about spending $30 for a tool, it's not that much when you compare it to how much a shop would charge you to do that kind of work. So I don't really, even when I consider the tools and the parts, I'm getting a pretty nice upgrade on my motor for not very much money. I'm going to leave the pulley off for now because tomorrow I'm going to do the water pump. So join me for that. Thanks for watching.